Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video we'll show you how to easily and very quickly connect your Google Sheets to n8n. So firstly guys, as you can see, this is our executive workflow. In here you'll have to press on this plus icon, and of course we will create a new workflow. So just type in Sheets, create a new action. So for example, let us just create spreadsheet, it doesn't really matter. Now create new credential, and now as you can see, by using OAuth 2, just sign in with Google. So just choose your account. In my case, it's this one. Now just give all of the permissions, right? This is very vital. Make sure to do this and then just continue. And now as you can see, connection is successful. And now we can close this window pretty much. And as you can see, we are now connected with Google. So this is going to be our Sheets account that is connected also through our Google account. So that's pretty much how this is done, guys. Very simple, very easily in just a few steps. If you enjoyed this video, guys, just press like on it to support us, and of course subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section, and thank you for watching.